Greetings. Let me show you how I attained this nice long braided style. My name is Emerald C, and I started with my natural hair, and I used this hot comb brush to kind of semi-straighten my hair. Now listen, I didn't need it bone straight. I just needed something that would be a little bit less frizzy and a lot more manageable when I pull my hair back. We went ahead and used the rat tail comb to give a nice little part, and look how cute. I love my natural hair. I just sectioned out two areas in the front because what I want to do is have two braids going down the center, and I'm going to pull everything back into a ponytail. So that's the vision I have for this hairstyle. I started with the Got To Be glue, well, gel, not the glue, and we brushed it back into a ponytail. Now I need this to be sleek, okay, like very sleek. We used our little hair ties to pull everything back, and I'm just using a little Got To Be to kind of make sure the two braided sections in the center are not frizzy. And I started on my first braid, finished her up, and then I realized that braid is too fat. I don't like it, so went right back to the drawing board just to make it a little bit more narrow. Added more Got To Be gel because now I have extra place that I don't want hair, and kind of went in and redid that braid. All right, this is perfect. Everything is sleeked back just how I like it. The puff is puffing. Now I'm going to do 3 different braids in the back, and I'm going to use that as my guide to kind of tuck underneath my braided hair. So this is the braiding hair we got. It's this like nice ombre. Now as I'm shaking it out, I'm like, I don't think I like this color. Like none of it meshes well with my skin tone or my natural hair. The ombre is not ombreing, it's giving old woman, and I don't know. I'm not loving it. I wanted to make sure that I use one strand of each portion of the braiding hair to kind of tuck in my natural hair. A little bit of my natural hair was showing, but again, I wasn't in love with the style because I'm like, am I going to keep it? Should I change it? Like I couldn't figure out if I wanted to commit to it, so I did not do a phenomenal job. When I started out, I went ahead and wrapped everything around because we left out a little portion. It's very bulky, very stiff, not loving it. I said, I'm scrapping the idea. I'm going back to the hair store. So off to the hair store I go, and this is the exact same hair braiding I got prior. The only difference is it's a different color and the hair is a lot thinner, so it's not as much. I took everything out. I even threw away the hot hair tie because I was just so over the style. I'm gonna rip it out the bag because look how silk and smooth and lightweight it is. Same exact steps we did earlier, except this I'm gonna keep, and this feels so much better and it looks so much better than the initial one. Just wrapping it around a little Got To Be because I want to make sure that my edges lay down nice. I'm 35. I don't need baby hair, but I do want to sleek a little bit back, and I like doing that little edge around the corner. Other than that, I'm not into all the baby hair, but I thought this was cute. I'm going to cut an old headband because I want to use this to lay down my hair, but not before I add the mousse all over the front. I want this to be perfectly flat. Got To Be spray. We're going to lay this down perfectly. Boiling hot water because I got to dip the braid in. Drying it off, of course. We're going to take off that wrap. And ooh, she is sleek. You just got to tidy up the back a little bit. But this is the final look for the braid. And of course, I had to vote today. So let me go get my little sticker and vote. Thanks for watching.